Hi, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Chef Matt. Today we're going to be doing a Pesto Grilled Chicken BLT sandwich. Alright, so to start off, one of our condiments for this sandwich is going to be a roasted garlic Dijon mayonnaise. So in this bowl here I have about a cup of mayonnaise, a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. So we're going to add this 2 cloves of roasted garlic that I have previously roasted into the mix here. We just chopped that up really nice and fine, kind of minced it, and we're just going to incorporate the garlic, the mustard, and the mayonnaise together and add it to our sandwich. Alright, now that that's all combined, we'll set that aside. Right here we have our grilled chicken breast. Okay. Set that in here. And it's just a plain grilled chicken breast right now. We're going to mix it with a little bit of pesto, just lightly coat the chicken breast with the pesto. Okay. And just coat it evenly so that pesto gets all over the chicken. Alright. Now it's time to construct our sandwich. So, you can use any kind of roll that you would like. I prefer a brioche roll, and that's what we have here. Just lightly toasted. So we're going to start on the bottom. We're going to set our grilled pesto chicken breast on the bottom. Alright. And then we're going to top it with 2 strips of bacon. Okay. We use this slice of tomato and lettuce for the BLT part. And then to top it all off, we take our Dijonaise, spread that on the top of the bun, close her up. There's a map here for you. And there you go. Pesto grilled chicken pesto BLT sandwich. Coming to you soon. Enjoy.